Hi guys, I'm Dr. Deepti Shukla. I'm a dermatologist and trichologist. And today I'm very excited to have a conversation with Mr. Ahmed. Hi.
Hi.
So he has come to India from Saudi Arabia and he has specially come here for the hair transplantation. So let's ask him few questions and we'll get to know how he came to know about our clinic and how he found the consultation and how happy he is currently with the surgery. So hello Mr. Ahmed.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, so how did you come to know about our clinic?
Actually, I was when I decided to do the hair transplant, I kept searching about what's the best result.
Yes.
Not only in India, even in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Iran, Kuwait.
Oh wow.
So yes, I found out.
So you have done a lot of research.
Yes. So I found out like from the video before and after.
Yes.
New routes, they have the best result for my grades.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah. So when you decided, when did you land in India and how was the consultation that went?
Well, first I contacted them by WhatsApp, so they asked me to send pictures.
Yes.
I sent them the pictures. They asked me to do the blood
test. Yes. Yes.
And after all of that, they told me how many grafts probably you need.
Yes.
And after that, I got my visa.
Yeah.
And
okay, so you applied the visa after
yes.
you got the consultation.
Yes.
Okay, so you're happy with the consultation and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you got
I landed here in Mumbai on the 20th.
Yes.
And the 21st was my first consultation.
Okay.
And then I got my first session on the 22nd.
22nd.
Yes.
Okay.
And the 23rd I got my other session.
Yes.
For the crown area.
Yes.
Yes.
So for Mr. Ahmed, we divided the surgery in 2 sittings because the area of the bald area was quite large, and we have implanted approximately 7,500 to 7,700 grafts on his scalp. Mainly, we have covered this area from the front to up to the full down the vertex. So as you can see, can you show us, sir, a little bit? Can you just turn around the camera? Look down a little bit. Can you show? We have covered this area, this full area, and we have the density looks quite nice. We have done the head wash today, and density looks very nice. I think he will get very good results. And you can look up, sir. And we extracted around 7,500 to 7,700 grafts, and we have covered the area now. So I hope he is happy with the results. And let's now talk to him about his experience, and he will tell you in his own words. So please,
yes,
how was the experience with the surgery?
Well, with the surgery, I thought it's gonna be there is a pain or something, but seriously, I felt nothing, like nothing.
Good.
Yes, it's a little bit long, but
yes.
I mean, you take breaks, you get your food, you talk to the people here.
Yes.
The people here are very friendly and sweet. All of the stuff.
Thank you.
And yeah, the time is gone. Like you don't feel it. You can talk to the doctor or the surgeon once he is doing your hair surgery.
Yes.
I mean, you can use your phone. You can go to the bathroom if you want. Yeah.
So it was
very nice.
You were very apprehensive about it initially.
Yeah, actually, I was worried before I do it.
Yeah.
Once I did the first session, the second session I was very relaxed.
And now you must be very happy that you got it done
and
now. Finally.
You can see.
I know this is the most important step. People are really worried and tensed about the hair transplantation surgery. How will it go? Will it be like hurt or anything?
Yes.
So I'm happy that you said that it was completely painless. Yes. You did not, and you were comfortable in the table and everything.
Yes.
So thank you so much for.
And also, I came here to India by myself. I thought I needed help or something, but seriously, you don't need any help. I mean, you can come by yourself, you do it, and you go back.
That is wonderful, and thank you so much for trusting us with your hair scalp.
And thank you so much for the job you did.
You're most welcome.
It was a very good job.
You're most welcome, and I hope you get the best results.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.